Hello friends, greetings from the volcano again. I'm here sitting on the moss on the slopes of the mountain, enjoying this incredible view here. See, nice. Some people would pay millions to see this, but we see it for free of charge. Oops, sorry. Turn around and see what I see. This is what I see. Lava show from a new theater here. We had gone hot lower, old Eruption had its viewing hill. Now we have got the new one here, which is kind of harder to get to, but there are lots of spectators here now. It's 1 o'clock at the night, but they are still here. You see, from all over the world, and millions of drones flying above. It's a paradise for drone pilot to be here. I used all my batteries already, so I don't have what to fly on. I have only 3 batteries, but I made really nice videos and photos. I will share them with you, of course, and you will see everything in great detail, what is happening here. Wish you all the best. Greetings from Iceland.